incredible richness and variety despite the little size. It connects all 24 Chopin's preludes. Looking at the shortest prelude in the whole set, let's wonder how the incredible atmosphere of grandeur and solemnity are achieved in its expression. Melody is tightly related to the harmony of the composition. The melodic movement appears in two outer voices, the highest and the lowest. The top voice is, at the same time, one of the components of the harmonic structures. The bottom voice obviously belongs to them as well. The bass line usually moves between the roots of the chords. The main element of the musical development is a rich and complex harmony. Although keeping to the E major key, there are modulations to three distant keys: C major, F major, and A flat major. The present chords vary from the simple triads to the seventh chords. In one special place, an uncommon ninth chord can be found. In the second and the third phase of the piece, new harmonic colors are achieved by using the chromatic medians. For example, B major and G major chords, C major and A major chords. Thank you very much for watching our video, and if you benefit from my work, please support us. Leave the thumb up and subscribe the channel.